Lanka is famous for its high quality tea. Known as Ceylon tea, a lot of the tea we buy in supermarkets today is from Sri Lanka. We took the train up into the highlands. We were able to see many of the beautiful tea plantations. I recommend taking the train in Sri Lanka. It's its own amazing experience. On the train, I tried some of the local fare from food vendors and shared some food and made some friends with locals. The original train systems were set up for coffee, but it was tea that kept it going. Scottish expat James Taylor set up tea plantations in the 1860s. From then, the tea trade grew exponentially. It is still a big part of the economy today. Tea leaf picking is known as plucking. It's mainly done by women today. I had a go myself. Let's just say I was not very good at it. My friend Dave had a try too. He at least looked the part. Did you know all the tea we drink is from one type of plant? The difference has got to do with the way it's grown, picked and processed. We visited the Giragama Tea Factory to find out all about it. Giragama was founded in 1903, so they've been doing this for 120 years. First the leaves are wilted, then they're disrupted, and then they are left to sit and brown. This fermentation happens in a temperature-controlled room.
Yeah, and then it falls directly on a what do you call it?
Fixation happens by warming or steaming the leaves. They are then rolled or shaped. They are then dried.
Once it's dried, this is how it looks. But there are these particles.
It is then graded and sorted into size. Another type of grading is done by a machine which sorts by colour.
This machine have color sensor cameras. It can easily recognize, it can easily separate what are the black color tea leaves, tea particles, and what are the brown color stems. Stems we use as compost back to the tea plantation.
At the end of the tour we had to try the tea. It was very good.